Sorry about that. So here I am making my video for Cody Baking. Here's my problem statement. Jim Cody wants recognition and extra revenue of producing and selling their products under their own personally labeled brand. However, some of his sales team feels they may lose business from large supermarket chains that prefer their generic branding that they can somewhat pass off as their own, and they may lose loyal consumer customers because their product may not be perceived as fresh or quality if they are commercialized and on a box on grocery store shelves. The vision statement I wrote for them is we want to become the household name brand that you come to for quality old-fashioned pastries just like Grandma used to make in every house in America. My mission statement is, here at Cody Baking, our mission is to provide our loyal American customers with the same quality, flavorful product that they have grown to love, just like Grandma used to make. Our prices are even old-fashioned too. Our products are homemade in small batches using the finest ingredients to ensure the most flaky, flavorful, heartwarming treat possible. Our most popular items are Danish and cinnamon rolls. Ours are the best, but we may be biased. Here at Cody Baking, our employees and customers have all been with us for a long time and are now part of our family. We strive to maintain our status as a beloved household name. Cody Baking, so this is my 5 forces model breakdown. Cody Baking has a strong hold of the market they are currently in and a loyal customer base. If they change to a commercialized brand, they will face competition among brands that have been in business for a long time and are well recognized, such as Little Debbie, Pillsbury, Pepperidge Farm, etc. They also run the risk of losing customers that associate their generic branding and being placed in the bakery area with being a higher quality and fresher than pastries that sit in a box on a grocery store shelf. They also run the risk of losing large chain grocery stores that also may not want to purchase their product with a personal name label on it instead of a generic product they can somewhat take credit for. So my predications are Cody Baking is a household name and known for being good quality and decent prices and is a family business. They have this concept locked down in the market, and I say that by moving to commercialization, they will lose perception of quality and therefore they will lose customers. So my final recommendations. In conclusion, I would recommend to Cody Baking to either stick with what they know and what they are already successful at, or start their commercialization process very small and continue to produce and sell their generic products as well. If they find success with the commercialization, then they can start to do it on a larger scale and move more in that direction. And that is all I have for you